Oh, James, where's Pinkman gone?
Pinkman's gone out of the car park area into another boggy part where I am.
So this is it. So even if they're in the area, they've still got to find you, haven't they?
I really hope they're radioactive listeners.
I don't think the man in the moon who disciplines the bark
wins anyway. What about today's games? Yes, so there are 4 now. No, so it's changed now, hasn't it? So like, do you know what it is? You know what they do it? So they're only doing that competition, and it's 7:45. Yeah. And I don't get his point. We've done that for a while as well this morning. We haven't just started, have we? Playing Finsbury Park in London in 2002. You may well have been there. It was an amazing, brilliant mess. I mean, really, anything's going to be better than Gareth. Yeah. Listen, you go for the man. Yeah, it's like it's double parked or something at times. Yeah. I don't know what that means. I don't know. It's on the ground. She's like, I can't leave. I've got to find out, are you going to give these tickets away? It's just really dumb as fun. Yeah, absolutely. Ironically, I can't make it. It's definitely ringing. Right. So you know the phrase third time lucky? Yeah. Well, let's just see. On the Pennine Moors, wildfires are expected to burn for weeks on Saddleworth Moor, and are also fighting flames in Grassland on Winter Hill in Lancashire. EU leaders have agreed that special migrant is set up with all countries sharing responsibility for helping refugees. This after all-night talks in Brussels following Italy's demands. Just go mobile. Every little helps.
12-month contract required. Famous policy applies to cities.com.
What's going on then? Have you upset someone? Big in the game. Should be first on the list. Okay. Joey, reluctantly, yes, we need to call one of our listeners and see if they actually sing along. Ian Gallagher's going to be what people should know when they're listening.
Get paid a lot of money for doing next to nothing, don't they?
It's just absolutely full. And then, like, it's just like, all I ever get is, oh, gosh. I just... I don't know
Goes like that. And then he says his thing. I'm used to. Yeah. Gav's got something funny to say about that. Right? Yes, you do, Gav! Yes, you do! Oh, yeah, the thing about the horses. No, Gav, no! Not horses! And Johnny turns into Vivian from the Unwatch. No! Anyway, Johnny's back today at 4. until the end of the next
Excuse me?
song to text
Could you
in.
move forward just a
And
little
you
bit,
could be
please?
on the air with us, talking to Dominic Byrne. Wow, what a
Sorry?
treat. And then me spinning the wheel and you winning some
Yeah, there's about
amazing
2 meters
prizes.
before you hit that line.
Let me just turn around now, look at the wheel. Oh. Another retractable dog lead. Of course it is. A glow-in-the-dark Radio X t-shirt.
Find where you belong. Search Army Jobs.
Landlords, direct line guarantees the other insurance premiums for the same cover. Get your insurance through them. Switch to direct line landlord. Your customers only qualify for 285 on the rate you get yours sorted.
Do any test you want?
Yeah, okay. Can you... Oh, well, the obvious one.
Yeah.
I think police actually do this.
Yes.
Can you stand up?
No.
Close your eyes. Okay, I haven't even got to the next
sorry.
thing.
Sorry, go on. Right, okay.
Can you stand
No.
Right. Stand up, close your eyes and stand on one leg.
I don't know. I couldn't do that sober.
Okay.
It's the best part of really, you're on a roll. Genuinely, it is a sunshine out, summer Radio X Platinum Hour. Perfect. With a massive curveball text in. I can't believe I won. Yep. I've never won anything. I can't believe it. So what type of animal features 3 times on the England football team badge? What animal? 3 times on the badge. Okay. Text the word win. You've got to start your text with the word win. Otherwise it won't count. Times on the England football team badge. You can win all that. And we will deliver it today. So if you're in today, we'll deliver it to you. So text the word win followed by your answer to 839. Really go beyond. Whenever I've needed support, they've been there. They've been so helpful to me, so nice to me. They're not my family, but I feel as if they are. I love them, all 3 of them. And I just thought, knock on the door and say, here's some money, off you go, and change their lives. Motto, who wins if you win? Rules and procedures apply, please.
You've just seen me. Horrible.